Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I will show you how to add payment method on iPhone. So guys, if you are using iPhone or iPad or other iOS device and when you try to add any payment method you will see many errors. So in this video I will show you how to add payment method without any error and easily. So let's get started without wasting any time. First of all guys, you need to open your settings. You need to make sure that you have connected with strong internet connection. After this, go back, click on general and check for software update, and you need to update your iPhone to latest iOS version. And now guys, you need to scroll it down and check your VPN connection. If you have connected any VPN, you need to disconnect that VPN, and now guys, you need to go back on your home screen. And guys, after this, simply you have to log in any Apple ID in your settings here or iCloud account. And guys, after this you need to scroll it below, and guys, here you can see the option of payment and shipping. Click on it and you need to wait for some seconds. As you will see here, you need to enter your Apple ID password or you need to use your Face ID here, and now you will see this type of interface. So guys, if you want to add your PayPal, then select here and you need to click on login to PayPal. And if you want to add any debit or credit card, select this one. Here you need to enter your card name, so card number, for example this is my card number. And guys, here you need to enter expiry date, and here you need to enter your CVV. So guys, after this you have to click on done, and after this your payment method will be added. And guys, if you want to scan your card, click on camera button, and after this you need to scan your card and automatically all the information will be filled here and you can easily add your payment method. So guys, this is the possible way to do this. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.